Hi, I'm Cher Johnston. Welcome to my happy place. I want to talk about this book today. This is Creative Stitches for Contemporary Embroidery by Sharon Boggon. And I want to show you the first couple pages. Love this. Love all this. And I want to show you the first few pages because if you go to her website and look, you can see these pages, so I know that I can just stop and show them to you. This is basically, this is the contents of the book. All these stitches A to Z are in this book. A lot of them. It's 190 pages. And I'm going to just flip through quickly. Beautiful photographs. She has some beautiful stitching. And all the how-tos. Pictures of all the how-tos and suggestions and stuff. So then in the back of the book, there is an index. If I can get there. There it is. Where if you want to know just how to do the beaded stitches, how to do the back stitches on page 33. So there's that. Now, there's Sharon. I'm going to put a link to her website where you can go and get this book. And I'm asking you, I don't always ask you to go and buy the book, but this time I am. I'm going to ask you to go and buy this book because I'm going to do a video series, like a course, next year, where we're going to do this book. I used that book to do this book. I wanted my own visual representation of all the stitches, right? But what I want to do next time is these are just combination stitches. I might have to get her crazy quilt book and add some of those. But next time I'm going to do an accordion style book because I want to show the back. You can't see the back of the back of the stitches, which I want to be able to see later on. You know, I think that's a good thing to have. Anyway, go buy the book. Check out Sharon's YouTube channel. She told me she's thinking about posting on YouTube more next year. So let's go and subscribe to her channel. Watch a few. She only has a few videos. Watch her videos, like them, comment, tell her that you're looking forward to having her come back. That's what I'm going to do. Anyways, do me a favor, go to your mobile phone, hit the hype button. You can like or not if you whatever, but hit the hype button. It helps so much for my videos to get out and in the YouTube algorithm. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.